Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr from 2022, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, all you want to do is open up content that you want to capture. So I'll be using home screen as an example for this. It's open and visible already, so I don't need to do anything extra. But once your content that you want to capture is open and visible, simply press power key and volume down at the same time. Hold it. You'll have this flash and a pop-up right here with edit, share, Google Lens, and the delete option. Now if you don't do anything with this pop-up, after like a couple seconds it just vanishes. So once it disappears, you can find it in your Photos application. And you can navigate into Library, and here you'll find Screenshots folder with screenshots. So there we go, this is the screenshot that I have captured. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.